Statistics is necessary for us to collect, analyze, understand, and present the data. But why? Can we not run these steps without using statistical techniques? Do we really need to apply statistical methods to get meaningful information from the data? Let us find out. Data is key to understand the past, identify trends from such information, and use these trends to predict what may happen in the future. Statistics help us achieve this by answering two fundamental problems: uncertainty and variation. Let us understand that by using a simple example. Uncertainty and variation, the two problems that statistics help us to solve. Let us say ABC Infotech made a total sale of $1 million in 2023. They have a target of $3 million for 2024. Can they achieve this target? This depends on various factors like market demand, economic conditions, and competitor actions. They may be able to make a revenue of 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, or even more. The company achieving or not achieving the target is uncertain. Statistics help us to calculate probabilities and finalize a target that the company is confident to achieve. Sales figures often changed based on season, geography, product type, or customer segment. Statistical methods can help ABC Infotech anticipate and prepare for these variations by making plans to reach the expected sales. Simply put, we know that the sales for 2024 will not be same as the sales for 2023. This is variation. We are also not sure what will be the new sales number. This is uncertainty. Statistics help us address these two problems by predicting a suitable sales number for 2024 and also manage variation from the sales number, if any. Let us take the customer satisfaction survey example from the last video. If we already know that based on the services provided, the satisfaction score for company A will be 3.8 and for company B will be 4.3, in that case, we do not need to run the survey at all. The survey comes into existence because we are uncertain of the score the companies may get. Moreover, if company A improves its internet speed, will it be able to achieve a score of 4.3? Again, this is uncertain too. We can say yes or no to this question with some level of confidence by using statistics. On the other hand, if all the customers are going to score us the same, we can manage this entire exercise by simply collecting the information from a single customer. We have to run the survey to multiple customers and find the average of their responses, as there is variation in the score each customer may give. There are different statistical techniques that can be used in different situations. In our next video, we shall explore the 4 different categories of statistical methods and understand when to use what. If you have any questions related to variation and uncertainty, please put them in the comment section and we shall answer them in our next video. Till then, let us accelerate to the future.